Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Namrata. So today we'll learn some new sentences. Please keep growing, keep learning and keep practicing with me. So let's start. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared about me. He never cared about me. उसे इतना आज़ादी मत दो. Don't give him so much freedom. Don't give him so much freedom. उसे वहाँ तक छोड़ के आओ. Leave him there till then. Leave him there till then. आपको और कुछ कहना है? Have something you want to say? Have something you want to say? कम से कम एक बार तो आ जाओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. हम लोग कल मिलते हैं. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys.